Namaste and welcome to presentation on Federal Bank. Why chosen Federal Bank for study? Are FIIs exiting from the bank? Is there speculation in the market more than investment? Head and shoulder pattern, is it a possibility? Is the company transparent enough in its disclosures? What is the way forward? We will find answers. One of the reputed banks of the pre-independence era, small, compact, with a market cap of 14,000 crores. At the current price of 68, it is at a retracement level of 53. For the 365 days, a return of negative 26%. Has got an ascending channel, and to its 52-week high, it has got about 40% from 68. The price is above all the small, medium and long-term moving averages. FIIs over 6 quarters have sold about 12.5% of their holdings. Mutual funds have taken about 4%. Other DIIs have taken another 4%. At another 4% is taken by individual investors who have sizable holdings with the bank. Main concern is why FIIs are reducing their stake continuously. Resistance at the level of 70 and a support at the level of 65. The pain point is appearing around 66, that is between 65 and 67, given the fact that this option chain is hardly a days old into the settlement, which is due on only end of the month, 28. Average price gone up by 12%, turnover down by 50%, and delivery percentage has moved down 85%, and quantity per trade is almost constant, means there is speculative interest involved in the share, and the market movement upwards in the channel might not be fully investment based and hence requiring caution. There is a likelihood that a head and shoulder pattern suggesting movement of the price downwards from the current level by forming the right shoulder cannot be ruled out. Treasury assets and treasury results. Assets of around 40,000 crores across the 3 quarters under reference, whereas results are not following a pattern. 157 to 423 to 42. Corporate wholesale, average assets of about 70,000 crores across, whereas the profits from that is 113 crores, then falling down to minus 80, then to 155. Retail banking, around 70,000 crores of assets, and an even flow of income starting from 200 to 222. Taking refuge under the board approved new policy for segment information for more appropriate presentation, the company has created a lot of confusion. It would have been straightforward, fall from 271 to 197. The disclosure doesn't reveal fully. Price and PAT are closely linked. Price always leads and the PAT follows. And when there is a mismatch, there will be a correction that follows. As we will see here now, whenever there is a mismatch, there will be a correction followed in the next month. Here, you will find there is a matching correction. Coming to December, we have price leading from 48 to 66, and there should be a reciprocating profit figure that has to come in the quarter. They are matching in size and proportion, be it positive or negative. And going by that logic, for the growth which is witnessed during this quarter, the matching profit figure might be around 360 plus plus. This is a thumb rule and it works most of the time. Being big is a business necessity today. FIIs always base their decisions on research. Ascending channel appears tutored. December quarter is very crucial for any head and shoulder pattern. Limited disclosure suggests weakness in the entity. Small may be beautiful, but market doesn't support it. Hope you liked the video. Kindly comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Highly obliged. This video is for purposes of information, education and awareness. This is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell or hold securities. Please seek advice of a competent professional wherever applicable.